Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. So it appears we're going into June here. We're right at the cusp of June 2024. I haven't wanted to talk very much about the upcoming proposed changes to the Thai immigration regime, if you will, mostly because, honestly, they talk about all this stuff and you really don't see what it really is until they implement it and you start seeing it put in practice. So I'm always rather hesitant to sort of get out ahead of it. I don't exactly consider this a news organization. I consider it legal news and immigration news. And I really view my role as it only being appropriate for me to start making videos when I can do actual analysis. That said, we're sitting right here on the cusp and we do have some data points that we can actually elucidate and provide some insight on. So here we go. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Pattaya News. That's thepattianews.com. Article is titled, Thai Government Introduces Destination Thailand Visa for Digital Nomads and Long-Term Workers. Notwithstanding the title, we're not talking about that specific topic in this video. I'm making another video contemporaneously with this one where we talk about this Destination Thailand Visa specifically. So for the thrust of that, stay tuned, or if I've already put it out, sometimes I'm not quite sure how these come out and what order they come out, but check out the video on the DTV. What we're talking about here is specifically exemption stamps. Quoting directly, the Thai Ministry of Foreign Affairs and relevant agencies have proposed 3 proactive measures to facilitate foreign tourists. These include visa exemptions for tourism, business, and short-term work purposes, which will now allow stays of up to 60 days, expanding the exemption list from 57 to 93 countries, including Australia, Canada, France, and others. So a couple of things here. First of all, the timeline. So the amount of lawful status it looks like you're going to be getting from a visa exemption. Again, this is not a visa. This is somebody that comes from one of these 93 countries, a passport holder from one of those countries, travels to Thailand. They just come in using their passport and they're just stamped in. They're exempt from a visa. They're in lawful status, but they don't have a visa per se. In the past, generally speaking, those folks would enter with 30 days lawful status. Moving forward from June 1st, it appears that those people are now going to be able to enter in 60 days lawful status. And they've greatly expanded, as noted in this quotation, from 57 to 93 countries that are allowed to use that particular, if you will, that particular type of travel document in order to maintain their status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.